if your DSG transmission fails, it can cost you thousands, but this simple service can save it. Let me show you how to do it properly. So today I'm servicing the DSG transmission on a Volkswagen Passat, including a fluid change and the filter replacement. So this is critical maintenance to keep your gearbox smooth, reliable and long lasting. So first thing first, guys, I need to tell you the filter located under the battery on this car. So to access the DSG filter, we first need to remove the battery, airbox and surrounding components. The filter is located right on the top of the transmission. So take your time here and keep all bolts organized and just see how I do this. So it's not that hard, but you can access to the battery easily removing the top cover, and then remove the negative terminal first and then the positive, and then take the battery out. Once we get access to the filter, first thing first, you need to clean the area, or just blow some air. Make sure no foreign materials like dust or anything falling into the transmission. So it's a good habit, give it a good clean. And then remove the filter first. So in this video, I'm not going to install the filter until the end of the video, until filling the fluid, because keeping this filter removed and this trick helps the transmission drain more completely. That's the filter, guys. So filter is pretty not that bad, but it's just it's a time-wise service, so it's better do this job accordingly. So think it's got to be done the fluid change got to be done every 40,000 kilometers to save your transmission. Spending a bit of money, bit of dollars on the service, but in the long term, you will save like thousands of dollars for not to replace the transmission. So keeping this service is a good habit. So now I'll lift the car and remove the engine undercover to access the drain plug. So locate the drain plug under the gearbox. Carefully drain all the transmission fluid into clean container. So the reason I say clean container, because this is very important. Measure how much fluid you drained. This gives you a baseline for how much fluid to refill later. But I'm not going to use the exact amount, but this is just the idea how much fluid were there in the transmission before you servicing. At least you can check and say, yes, I have filled at least similar amount or a bit of more, because you don't need to overfill your transmission, and that can damage your transmission easy. Or you don't need to underfill as well. So as you can see, I removed the main drain plug, and there is another drain plug inside the main drain plug. So you had to remove that to drain all the fluid. And of course, on this transmission, you need to have a special tool with the pressure pump and the special tool adapter. So select the correct adapter. Then as you can see now, I'm just installing the internal drain plug. And then installing the filler adapter. So measure the amount, how much is came out, how many liters. So fill similar amount or a little bit more, like 100 ml more into the transmission. So on this car, I'm not using genuine fluid, but I'm using Penrite fully synthetic DSG transmission fluid, which I could buy from the local market here. The tool is ready, guys. So I'm going to connect the pipe and going to fill all the fluid into it. Once the filling completed, you can lower the car, and next I'm going to install the filter. So while the filling tool is connected, install the new DSG filter and torque the housing to the specification. Then reinstall all the components we removed earlier. That's my next step I'm going to do. So clean the filter housing, use new O-ring came with the filter, and install the new filter. That's the step I'm just going to carry out. So once the filter installed and torqued correctly, then reinstall all the components you removed earlier. Then the fluid level check-in step comes on. Start the engine and cycle through all gears slowly. At the same time, monitor the transmission fluid temperature. So I'm using my scan tool. The desired temperature can be 30 to 40 degrees Celsius, and low temperature or high temperature than that is not gonna give a good result of correct transmission fluid level. So making sure you are checking the transmission fluid on a correct temperature. So as you can see here, it's showing 28, but I left it for a while starting and selecting gears. It reached about 35. So at the time I disconnect my adapter, and as you can see, there's excess fluid coming out. This is enough fluid. I decided not to fill more fluid in it. This is the correct level. So fitting all the adapters and the drain plug, and the job is pretty much done, guys. Once confirmed, reinstall everything what you remove, and I can say the DSG service is complete from here. Thanks for watching. If this helped you save money, hit like and subscribe for more professional DIY car repair guides. Thanks again.